The pandemic paused many facets of life, and a new report says wellness checkups for children were among them. And with school resuming this fall, Wisconsin families are urged to get caught up on preventative care. The Georgetown University Center for Children and Families says new findings suggest there was a 27% decline in the U.S. in pediatric office visits last year. Dr. Sharon Rink, a pediatrician based in Appleton, says now's the time for kids to reconnect with their family physician to ensure their growth and development wasn't hindered.
With younger children, and just to make sure that their speech is progressing, that their gross motor is progressing. With older teens, it's just a good time to regroup. How is your family doing?
She says those conversations can help kids rid themselves of unhealthy habits they may have developed, such as too much screen time. And while health experts say there are rare cases in which standard immunizations aren't called for, they urge following up on missed shots that are required for most children as they grow. The report says 11 million routine vaccinations were missed during the pandemic. Dr. Lee Beers, who heads the American Academy of Pediatrics, notes the importance of staying on track.
If too few people in a community are vaccinated against a particular disease, it means that we might see an outbreak of that disease. And we've seen this before with measles and with pertussis, and so it's so important to make sure that your child is vaccinated, not just to protect themselves, but also to protect everyone around them.
And Rink says keeping kids healthy allows them to stay in the classroom, adding that they don't want to miss any more in-person learning, as so many did during COVID lockdowns.
The devastation from the last year and a half has been terrible in terms of mental health, physical health, academic progress.
For families who avoided doctor visits out of safety concerns, Rink says offices are still carrying out protocols to prevent the spread of COVID. And for those who have suffered financially because of the crisis, she recommends reaching out to county human service departments to learn more about resources for wellness visits. Mike Moen, Wisconsin News Connection. Find our Rate Trust indicators to support transparency and accuracy at publicnewsservice.org.